Eh? How did we lose one? I think we should throw it in the back, just to be safe.
You ever wonder why there's a bank out here? Well, I think it's supposed to be like more of a vault, you know? Oh, that makes sense.
Freeze! Don't move! Oi, you. You're free to go. Not really, but you've got a package. Don't get your hopes up. We've already checked it for anything useful, haven't we, Dave?
What? Yeah, of course I checked it. I mean, if I didn't check it, I'd lose my job, and I don't want to lose my job.
See you around. Free to go. Hey, he's escaping.
Ah! As the mayor, I hereby declare the Tunisian archaeological exhibit open.
Yes, thank you. Yes.
Oh, look, a penny.
And after that, they just up and arrested him.
Whoa, really?
Yeah. Well, well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man.
Hey, how do you want me to bring you in?
Check, this is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck. Hey, good job there. Oh, so you should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation.
Alright, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas?
I was kind of thinking.
Yeah.
No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Door's jammed again.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap.
Huh?
Alright, here it comes.
What's a card in?
I don't think that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Understands this.
Yeah.
Alright, here I come. Da 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 da.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this, or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Whoa, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys, and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into the power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors, and I'll, get you on the chopper.
Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going?
problem.
Hello, Henry. Welcome to the wall. Some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here, and now we have the infamous Henry Stickmin. You're going to be here for a long time. Grigori, take him. You wait here until cell found. Alright, let's go. Have a good time. Yeah? Oh, Henry! Oh, how's it going? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, I see. Huh. Yeah, I'm flying right now, actually. Where are you? The wall. Yeah, I think I've heard of that place. Yeah, I'm on a mission, but, I should have some time to swing by. Hey, so, I'm getting pretty close. Yeah, just, try to get outside and I'll, you know. Hey. Where you going? What? Hey, so, I see the wall. Oh, you're outside? Nice. I think I see you. Yeah, there's a guard in the way. I got this. Yeah, it'll be just like the old times. Yeah. I got the perfect plan. This is the greatest plan. And there you go. Hey, I'm seeing a helipad up here. Could be a pretty good place to get picked up. Once I get close, though, they'll probably raise the alarm. Oh, yeah, they see me. I'm coming in. Get ready. Oh, get him! Hey. Cheers, mate. No, listen. The Topback clan won't even stand a chance against us, dude. Yeah, they don't even realize that we know about their secret jungle base. They think they can just launch a rocket into orbit and be free to do whatever they want. We're gonna even show them. What are you two idiots doing? We need to ship out right now. You guys are the worst. Come on. Whoops, that was too early.
Heard the new top bad leader's missing. $10 says he shows up and stops our entire operation. Yeah, alright.
Did I get him? Ooh.
Hey everyone, this is part 65 of my Henry Stickmin playthrough. Today I'm going to be doing the part with the tank. But before I get started, I just want to thank my sponsor, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Pinbus. You would expect this not to work, but you know how this game is. Things are in the tent now. I'm gonna quick walkthrough here. Opens up this video of this super boring guy who just says, "What's up, guys? I'm playing Henry Stickmin today. Doing."
Big Boy's going on a rampage. I thought Big Boy wasn't working.
Come in, Command. We are picking up minor chaos readings here. Permission to engage.
Roger that. Commencing chaos containment.
Commencing ultimate freeze.
That's right. General, what's going on?
I have no idea. There's no way we can do the mission now. This is the General. I'm calling in a full retreat. Repeat, the mission is a no-go.
Hey, Chief? Yeah, we got a tank approaching with Henry inside. Henry? You're here? What are you doing in a tank?
Repeat, Top Hat raid has been aborted. Fall back.
You protected the clan.
Yeah, the future of the Top Hat clan looks bright with you as our leader.